I'll be showing you how to install Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. First, open the web browser you're currently using, whether it's Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or another browser. Next, go to the official Google Chrome download page. You can do this by typing google.com/Chrome into your search bar. Once you're on the Google Chrome page, click on the Download Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear when downloading the setup file .open the installer file . You'll typically find this in your Downloads folder, or it might automatically run. Now, the installation process will start automatically. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, Google Chrome will open automatically. You can also find it on your desktop or in the Start menu. If you'd like, you can set Google Chrome as your default browser by clicking on the Set as Default option. This will make Chrome open automatically whenever you click on a link. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Now you can start browsing with a fast, secure, and smooth experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Web Tips for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.